Welcome to Ronda, one of Spain's most stunning and historic towns, perched high above the El Tajo Gorge in Andalusia. Famous for its breathtaking Puente Nuevo, this iconic bridge connects the old and new towns, offering views that will take your breath away. Explore Ronda's narrow, winding streets, lined with beautiful white houses, vibrant flowers, and centuries-old architecture. Ronda is also home to one of the oldest bullrings in Spain, a place where tradition and history come alive. As the sun sets over the horizon, the magic of Ronda unfolds, with golden light bathing the town in an unforgettable glow. Discover Ronda, a place where history, culture, and stunning natural beauty come together for the perfect Spanish escape.